In this video, we will see how to convert Excel to PDF. Click on the File menu. Click Export on the menu. This opens the Export panel. Click Create PDF XPS. In the Publish as PDF dialog, choose where to create the PDF. Enter a name for the document in the File Name field. Click the Options button. This will allow you to adjust the settings for the PDF file you are about to create. If you selected an area of your spreadsheet to save as a PDF, choose Selection under Publish What. This ensures that only that selected area is saved as a PDF. If you'd rather save the entire visible worksheet as a PDF, choose Active Sheet instead. If you want to choose specific pages from the workbook to save as a PDF, use the Page drop-down menus to define the first and last pages. Click OK to continue. You can select how you want to optimize the PDF. Most people can stick with standard unless the spreadsheet is very large. Minimum size will reduce the size of a larger file to something more manageable. Click Publish. By default, the PDF file will open automatically for your review. If it doesn't open by automatically, just double-click the name of the file in the folder to which you saved it. You can also convert Excel to PDF using Save as PDF. Click on File. Then, click on Save As. In the File Name field, enter a name for the PDF. In the Save As Type field, choose PDF. Finally, click Save. The advantage of the Save As method is that it is available for all versions from Excel 2007.